You've got to stop calling me names. I don't like it. I'm going to tell you. I think I need a shave. I think I need a shave. Isn't this funny? Look at me, Mother. I'm a real boy.
Oh my god, where have I gone? Oh, it's because I've created a new pint. Are you down there?